Welcome. Now, continuation, question number 30. See, this time I can't give the question by words. It will be too lengthy. So, question is, for the beam shown in figure, supports are A and B. Find vertical reactions at the supports A and B is the question. Okay. Solution. Usual. Let VA, let VB as usual. Prepare a neat diagram. See, 1.8, 0.5 gap, 3.2 length of UDL, 60 kN per meter. One anti-clockwise couple given 240 kilonewton meter. Point load 90 at 1.3. From 6 meter, subtract 0.5, subtract 1.3, subtract 3.2, you will get 1 meter. 1.6, 1.8. See, uniformly varying loads are given here. AB. Okay, start now. First, sigma m about. See, after some time, I will keep on giving exercise for you more. Clockwise positive. See, moment point is A. Everything is covered so far. UDL, total load is intensity of load into loaded length, acting at center, uniformly varying load, area of the triangle is the total load, acting through CG. Now see here. This UDL total load will act here. How much total load? 60 into 3.2. This UVL total load will act here, this side. Here. How much total load? Half into base into height, area of the triangle. Here, total load will act here, this side. Half into base into height. Okay, start. Take moment about A, start from that side. Minus VB into 6. Then, from here start. Moment of this load. To first load, clockwise. Plus half into 1.6 into 36 is the total load multiplied by, this is 6 meter plus this distance is 1/3 of 1.6. This all explained so thoroughly earlier. First of all, this question is not to be solved. 1.6. I'll change the pen, it's not writing properly. Then, not this one. Then, plus clockwise. 90 into, this is 6 meter, this is 1.3 meter. This will be 4.7 meter. Or 0.5 plus 3.2 plus 1. Okay, this also. Then, an anti-clockwise couple is there. Anti-clockwise. So, minus 240. That's all. No multiplying. It's a couple. If they give clockwise, put plus 240. Then, again clockwise. Plus 60 into 3.2 is the total load multiplied by 0.5 plus half of 3.2. See, line of action is here. 0.5 plus half of 3.2. Over. Then see, VA into 0. Then come this side. Anti-clockwise. Minus half into 1.8 into 48 is the total load multiplied by moment about A. From A to this line of action, this is 2/3. Why 2/3? I will not tell now. 1.8 equal to 0. Therefore, you will get the value of VB. VB will come in kilometer. 120.42. I already calculated to save the time. What I am getting by solving in the class. Okay, then VB over sigma V0. You will take upward positive. Okay, red color. Plus VA plus VB. This time only for, see, this time no moment, only loads. So vertically upward positive. Plus VA plus VB. Start from here. Minus this load. Only load. Half into, see, this is a total load. Okay, half into 1.8 into 48. That's all, total load. Then minus this UDL. 60 into 3.2, again total load, minus 90, minus this total load, half into 1.6 into 36 is the total load, equal to 0. What you do now? Substitute for whatever VB you got there, substitute for VB, simplify, you will get the value of VA. 233.58 kilonewton. 0.58 kilonewton. Now, right, therefore, reactions at the supports are as shown below. Draw the sketch once again there. There, enter VB equal to 120.42 kilonewton, whatever you got, positive came, and VA, the space problem, VA equal to, how much you got? I rubbed it out, but answer is there, 233.58. 58 kilonewton. Solution is over. Now, only for practice purpose, actually not required. Alternate solution, right? This I will do for some questions where I feel important. Right here, alternate solution, alternate. Take moment about B first, sigma m about B0, so that you get full fluency in the calculation. Clockwise positive. See, now moment point is B. Start. Plus VA into 6 as usual. VA into 6. Start from here. Minus this total load. Half into 1.8 into 48 is the total load, multiplied by, see, it is acting here. Moment about B. 6 meter plus 2 by 3 of 1.8. 6 plus 2 by 3 of 1. This all in the types of loads. This everything is explained. You should go through that class again and again. Then first of all, such questions are not required to solve. Then minus once again, minus 60 into 3.2, see, total load. 60 into 3.2 is the total load into 1.3 plus 1, 2.3 plus half of 3.2, half of 3.2. Then anti-clockwise 240, so minus 240. There is no multiplying, that's all, minus 240, moment already. Then minus 90 into 1, 1.3, 1.3. Again, see, this all will create anti-clockwise, this also anti-clockwise, but this will create clockwise moment. Plus, when you took moment about A, all those are producing clockwise, this will produce anti-clockwise here. Now, about B, this will produce clockwise moment. Plus, half into 1.6 into 36 is the total load, multiplied by moment about B, this distance, simply 1 by 3 of 1.6 equal to 0. Therefore, first you will get the value of VA. You will get 233.58 plus 233.58 kilonewton. Sigma V0, same thing, same as last time. Substitute for VA, you get the value of VB and enter the reaction. Now, next question, one more question I will solve now. Question number 31. I am not prepared the question, I will write the question here now. Once again, difficult to give in words, so I will give sketch only. For the beam shown below, find support reactions at A and B. Okay, beam is here. One support here, one support here. This is 3 meter, 10 meter and 4 meter. What I will give is, I will give an uniformly varying load here. This way. 0 to 60 kilonewton per meter. Here I'll give UDL. I'll give a point load here. And here I'll also give a clockwise couple of, I'll give the values here. This is 12 kN per meter, random values. This is 25 kilonewton. This couple is 50 kilonewton meter. This is A, this is B. This distance is from here to the couple point is 2 meter, and this gap is, that gap is 2 means, not 2 meter. This gap is 1.5 meter. This is 2 meter. Okay. This is a question. Solve it now. Okay, once again, same statement. Prepare it. This time I have not solved it actually. I will get the answer in front of you only. Okay, no problem. In a class, if lengthy question is there, just one question, big question. If easy questions, be 2 questions or 3 questions sometimes. Exercise I will give you next time, not now. After completing. Start. Prepare a neat beam. 3, 1.5, 3 plus 1.2, this is 3.5, 6.5 gap here, 6.5, then 2 and 4. Okay. Little down. VA, VB, this length is 3 meter, this full is 10 meter, this is 4 meter. I will take the point CD here, actually not required. This is AB. Then here uniformly varying load is there. Put that varying load. 60 kilonewton per meter. See, this gap is, this how much? This is 1.5 meter. This is 2 meter. So, this loaded length will be equal to, from 10, subtract 1.5, subtract 2, you will get 6.5 meter. Remember, not given in the question, calculated. Then here, and one clockwise couple of 50 kilonewton meter. And here, UDL of 12 kN per meter. Here there is a point load of, this is D point, okay, 25 kilonewton. Okay, start. See, once again, for this load, total load is acting here. How much? 12 into 3, acting at center. Here, result total load will act here. How much? Half into 6.5 into 60, from here 2 by 3, from here 1 by 3. Over. That's all. Now nothing required. Sigma m about A0, clockwise positive. Moment point is A. Minus VB into 10. Into 10. Plus 25 into 14. Every, see, load into distance. You should practice that way. Then plus clockwise. Moment of this load. Half into 6.5 into 60 is the total load. Multiplied by moment about A. This is 1.5 meter. Plus from here to here will be 2/3 of 6.5. Then plus 50, no multiplying, that's all, plus 50. This load will produce anti-clockwise moment. Minus 12 into 3 is the total load into 3 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of VB in kilonewton. I have to calculate it now. This time I am really calculating. 25 into 14 plus half into 6.5 into 60 into bracket 1.5 plus 2 by 3 of 6.5 plus 50 minus 12 into 3 into 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Okay. Divide by 10. 5,000. No, something wrong because it's not possible. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. 25 into 14 plus half into 6. That's why I calculate earlier. Calculator problem. Sometime one small button gone means time wasted. That's why I always do earlier calculation. 60 into bracket 1.5 plus 2 by 3 of 6.5 plus 50 minus 12 into 3 into 1.5 divided by 10 plus 148 point. Why plus you should think yourself only. 148.35 kilonewton. Okay, now I do one thing now. Sigma V0. Upward positive. Only load this time. No distancers. Plus VA plus VB. Minus this load. See, 12 into 3. This is a load. That's all. Couple is not there. Couple is not considered for load. Sigma V minus half into 6.5 into 60 is the total load. That's all. Minus 25 equal to 0. Substitute for whatever VB you substitute for whatever VB you got. Substitute for VB, you will get the value of VA. 116.35 minus 12 into 3 minus half into 6.5 into 60 minus 25 plus 107.65. 107.65 kilonewton. Okay. Now, therefore, support reactions are as shown below. Put a sketch here. Once again, write the sketch. A4 meter. Go that side. Right here. VB equal to 148.35 kilonewton. And your VA equal to 3 meters. I'm disturbing me. I'll put 3 meters that side. It's disturbing me. VA equal to 107.65 kilonewton. 65 kilonewton. Okay. Now, just because when you take moment, you should be careful about triangle also. Now right here, alternate solution. Sigma m about, you take B equal to 0, take clockwise positive. Take moment about B. Okay, start from this side. Plus VA into 10. VA into 10. Minus 12 into 3 is the total load. See, this time moment about B, it is acting here 10 plus 3 by 2 into 10 plus 3 by 2. Somebody may tell, sir is not explaining properly. What not explaining properly? Earlier all, how many times told? Then clockwise 50, simply put plus 50. This anti-clockwise, minus half into 6.5 into 60 is the total load into moment about B, 2 meter plus from here to here is 1 by 3 of 6.5. See, anti-clockwise, but this 25 into 4 is clockwise. Plus 25 into 4 equal to 0. Therefore, first you will get the value of VA in kilonewton. This time, I am really calculating. I am not doing like this. Because why? Because this question I set in the class only now. I don't know answer. 10 plus 1.5 plus 50. No, so cancel. Answer equal to minus 50 plus half into 6.5 into 60 into bracket 2 plus 1 by 3 of 6.5, 25 into 4 divided by 10. I am getting plus 107.65. I'm really getting it. 65 kilonewton. VA plus sigma V0, substitute for VA, VB will come plus 148.35 kilonewton. Okay. This way, if you solve the question, you get thorough practice. Okay, now, one last question I will solve. Because little time is there. One last question, today's class. Question 32. But I will do one thing now. I will give the question for you, but answer I will give you. Solution you should do it. Exercise type. But steps I will tell. I will tell the steps for you. So this is not full exercise, partially solved in the class. For the beam shown in figure, find reaction. Only, okay, first right now double overhang. It later single overhang. Okay. Let double overhang be over first. 4 meter, 8 meter, 3 meter. I will put UDL here. Okay, UDL is, this is 3 meter. This total loaded length of UDL is 7 meter. UDL of, I want round number, 40 kilonewton per meter. Then here I will put one couple here, anti-clockwise couple of 120 kilonewton meter. Then apart from that one, I will put side by side and uniformly varying load here. This is 0 to 32, 24 kilonewton per meter. Okay, this is a question. A and B here, A here, B here. Okay, start. Oh, I forgot, right? Let, I won't, red color is not required. Usual statement. Okay, still write, you write it. Let VA upward and VB upward be vertical reaction at A and B as shown. Okay, then 4, 8 and 3. Okay, 4 meter, 8 meter and 3 meter. UDL here. This is 3 meter, this is 3 meter here. This side total length is 7 meter. See, somewhere it will come here. Not 7 meter. You make it not 7. If it is 7, it comes once again 4. Okay, everybody. This is 7 meter. This is 6 meter means it will come 2 meter. 2 means meter. Okay. Okay, this is this is 3 meter. This is 5 meter. Only 5 meter. That means your UDL will come only for what length? The UDL will be only for 2 meter length here. 2 meter length. That is 3. Total is how much? 5 meter. UDL how much? 40 kilonewton per meter. Then from here, out of this, not to the scale, out of scale. Now see, this is 2, this is 8 means this is 6 meter. How much it is? 24 kilonewton per meter. For this loaded length is 6 meter. Here there is a couple anti-clockwise of 120 kilonewton meter. That's all. Okay. Everything correct? 4, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 correct. Okay, I will solve the question. Exercise I will give you next time. Oh no, B is here. See, your B is here. This is little longer. Okay, now correct. Okay, scale maintained. Okay. Start. Now, I will solve it. Sigma m about A0, take clockwise positive. But write the reaction here. VB, VA. minus VB into 8 plus you take moment about A moment point, therefore full UDL 40 kilonewton per meter for full 5 meter. I should go up here, okay, 5 meter. 40 into 5 is the total load clockwise into, it is the total load will act through center, is the total load into 6 plus 5 by 2. 6 plus 5 by 2 clockwise, again plus this total load will act here. Half into 6 into 24 is the total load multiplied by 1/3 of 6. 1/3 of 6 minus this anti-clockwise couple of 120, take moment minus 120 equal to 0. Substituting, you get the value of VB in kilonewton. More and more questions, I'll give homework for you. Okay. 40 into 5 into 6 plus 5 by 2 plus half into 6 into 24 into 2 correct? That's all, yes, over, equal to minus divided by 1, okay, minus 120 divided by 8. 215.5 kilonewton. 215.5 kilonewton. Then sigma V0 take upward positive. We'll check the answer later. Plus VA plus VB. Then this is not a load. Minus half into 6 into 24 is the total triangle load. Minus 40 into 5 is the total UDL equal to 0. Substitute for VB, whatever you got, you get the value of VA in kilonewton. Minus plus 56.5 kilonewton. 56.5 kilonewton. Okay. Over. Now, question over. You come back here, right here. Therefore, this should not come back here. One more sketch required. 56.5 kilonewton. VA equal to 215.5 kilonewton. Now, do one thing. A little work for you. I will dictate, you write. Your choice. Alternate solution, take moment about B. I will dictate. Plus VA into 8. So, or, right here now, see. Or, alternate solution, sigma M about, take B equal to 0. I will explain. You will first get the value of VA in kilonewton. See moment here. Plus VA into 8 minus 120 minus half into 6 into 24 is the total load into 2 plus 2/3 of 6. This UDL will produce anti-clockwise. Minus 4 into 2 into 2 by 2. This UDL will produce clockwise plus 40 into 3 into 3 by 2 equal to 0. You get the value of VB. Or, earlier class I told something for you. You can take the full UDL. If you can do it, do it. Your VA will come. If you take moment about B, minus 120 plus half into 6 into 24. No, 120 plus half into 6 into 24. Why such a low value? Okay, 24. Anti-clockwise VA. I think some doubt is there for me. 120 minus 120 minus half into 6 into 24 into bracket 2 plus 4. So much minus 40 into 2 into 1 plus 40 into 3 into 1.5 divided by 6. No, something wrong. 1 minute. I will tell how much it will come. minus 120 minus half into 6 into 24, 24 into bracket 2 plus 2 by 3 of 6 minus 40 into 2 into 1 half 2 equal to plus 40 into 3 into 1.5 divided by how much it is? 8. 76.75 I am getting. I am getting VA plus 76.75 kilonewton. That means this is wrong, I think. I check once again. 1 minute, no problem. Half into 6 into 24 into 1 by 3 of 6 plus 40 into total 5 into bracket 6 plus 5 by 2 over minus 120 divided by 6. Again some problem here. Calculate, see this calculate problem. Half into 6 into 24 into 2 1 by 3 of 6. 1 by 3 of 6 plus 40 into 5 into 6 plus 5 by 2 something over minus 120 divided by 8. 215.5, correct answer. 215.5 minus 12 into 6 minus 40 into 5. 56.5, fully correct. Then what is wrong here? 1 minute. If I take moment about B, minus 120 minus half into 6 into 24 into bracket 2 plus 2 by 3 of 6 equal to minus 40 into 2 into 1, that much, plus 40 into 3 into 1.5, answer divided by 8. Oh, correct. I am getting same answer. Okay, correct. This is because of calculation problem. 56.5 kilonewton. Then make sigma V0. You get the value of VB. What answer you got there? Same VB will come here also. Okay, solve the question. Calculate the problem. That's why, see, this will actually spoil the time. First, 2 reasons are there. 1, this calculator display is not good. Sometimes 8 looks like 6, 9 looks like 8, 0 looks like 8, 1. Second one, I am not used to this type of calculator. I used to use one old calculator called FX100, where if I touch, I can never make the mistake. Here, sometimes some buttons are not properly activated. So it will give mathematical error. It happens so many times. Nowadays, I stopped calculating in the class. So what I do, best option is write the question, stop recording, get the answer correctly. See, I don't have see, when I do in front of you calculation, time trouble, I'm in tension, not tension actually, little pressure on me to do fast. But if I stop the recording, then I can take my own time. I will carefully do it. So therefore, that is the reason why I calculate the answer first. But question I set in the class only. I never come prepared for the class. Okay, work out this question. Next class, question number 33. Okay, I'll make a note here. Next 33. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.